Good morning, students. Welcome to the class. In the previous class, we had completed line clipping algorithm. Okay. In the line clipping algorithm, we study the Cohen-Sutherland line clipping algorithm. Okay. So today we will discuss polygon clipping concept. Okay. In polygon clipping concept, we will study Sutherland-Hodgman polygon clipping algorithm. Okay, so let us discuss in detail polygon clipping. Okay, first we discuss about what is polygon. Okay, in a polygon, all lines are connected. Lines can be a combination of edges and vertices, which together form a polygon. Okay, a polygon refers to a two-dimensional architecture made up of a number of straight lines. Okay, some example of the polygons are triangle, pentagons, hexagons, and quadrilaterals. Okay. Let us discuss what are the different types of polygon. The polygon are basically two types. One is concave polygon, second one is convex polygon. Okay. In concave polygon, it does not have any part of its diagonals in its exterior. Okay. And at least one angle should be greater than 180 degree. This is known as concave polygon. This one is your figure of concave polygon. Okay. Next is your convex polygon. In the convex polygon has at least one part of diagonal in its exterior. That means outside. Okay. In a convex polygon, all the angles should be less than 180 degree. Okay. In the concave polygon, at least one angle should be greater than 180 degree, but in convex polygon, at least all angles should be less than 180 degree. Okay. Now let us discuss polygon clipping. Comes to the point polygon clipping. Okay. Polygon clipping. Polygon clipping is a process in which we only consider the part which is inside the view pane or the window. Okay. We will remove or clip the part that is outside of the window, and with the part which are inside, this one only here, and the part which are outside, that part will be removed or discarded. Okay. So for this polygon clipping we use some algorithms. First one is your Sutherland-Hodgman polygon clipping algorithm, and second one is Wheeler-Atherton polygon clipping algorithm. So we discuss Sutherland-Hodgman polygon clipping algorithm. Okay. Let us discuss in detail. In this algorithm, it is performed by processing the boundary of polygon against each window, corner or edge. First of all, entire polygon is clipped against one edge, then the resulting polygon is considered, and then the polygon is considered against the second edge. So on for all four edges will be considered. Okay. So let us discuss what are the four possible situations while processing the polygon clipping algorithm. Okay, or polygon clipping. First case, if first vertex is an outside the window, the second vertex is inside the window, then second vertex is added to the output list. Okay, the point of intersection of window boundary and polygon side or edge is also added to the output line. Okay, if both vertex are inside window boundary, then only second vertex is added to the output list. Okay. Next, third one. If the first vertex is inside the window and second is an outside the window, then the edge will intersect with window is added to output list. Okay. Then fourth situation or fourth case. If both vertices are the outside window, then nothing is added to the output list. Okay. So the polygon clipping algorithm deals with four different clipping cases. The output of each case is input for the next case. So how it will be implemented, let us discuss. Okay. This one is our original image or original or polygons. Okay. This is your clipping window and this figure is your polygons. This star is your polygon and the square is your clipping window. In the clipping and the star is on the clipping window. So in the star has 5 sides. Okay. The vertex are outside the window, isn't it? Okay. So how it can be clipped? First case. Okay. In the left, first case is your left clip. In the left side polygon clipping, we only remove the left part of the polygon. Okay. Which is outside the window. We only save the portion which is inside the window. That means okay. Okay, so here only this portion is only clipped. Which one is your left side? Okay, this one is your left side. Only this portion is clipped and rest part are the safe. Okay, rest part are the rest safe. Okay, so after the left side clipping, the figure is look like this. This one is your after left side clipping. Okay, so now next we will show you discuss the right clip. Okay, in the right side polygon clipping, we only remove the right part of the polygon which is outside the window. So this star figure is your in the right side. This part is your right side. This part is your right side. In this right side only here this portion is only clipping. Okay, and rest are safe. Okay, So that means we only remove the right part of the polygon which is outside the window. We only save the portion which is inside the window. Next, we will clip the top portion. Okay. Let us discuss top clip. Okay. On the top side polygon clipping, we only remove the top part of the polygon. Okay. Which is outside the window. Okay. That means this portion is your top side. This portion is your top side. That portion only clipping, and rest are the portion which are inside the clipping window. These are the same. Okay. We only save the portion which is inside the window. Now clip the bottom portion. In the bottom side of the polygon clipping, we only remove the bottom part of the polygon which is outside the window. We only save the portion which is inside the window. That means here bottom side clip parts only clipped. After that, after clipping, final clipping, the polygon is look like this. Resultant polygon is look like this. Okay. So in this way, polygon clippings are done. Okay. So the clipping were done in this way, but the condition of the following, the four conditions are there while clipping the polygon. So how it is possible? Let us discuss. There should be the following conditions while we clip a polygon. First condition is your out in. That means in this figure, the this one is, this square is your, this one is your window, clipping window. Okay. And the line V1 and V2 are line which is out in. That means V1 vertex is outside the window, V2 vertex is the inside the window. So in this situation, if the first vertex of the polygon is outside and second vertex is inside the window, then output will be the intersection point and second vertex. That means in the V1 is your outside vertex, V2 is your inside vertex. Okay. So after the clipping, the output means that much portion will be discarded. Okay. Then the output will be this one. Only that portion. That means here V2 and V1 dash. That means here a intersection point is there. The name of the intersection point is V1 dash. That means in the clipping window only V1 dash and V2 will be saved. Okay. Now discuss the second condition. In the second condition is in-out condition. If the first vertex of the polygon is inside, first vertex is V2, okay, and the second vertex is outside the window, this one V1, then output will be the intersection point, only intersection point. That means first vertex is your V2, second vertex is your V1. So in this way, in out, that means the line is inside to outside. So in this way, the output only, that means the point which one only say the save, that point is your intersection point. This one is your V1 dash. Okay. In the in-out condition. Then the next condition, third condition is in condition. That means if both vertices of the polygon are inside the window. Both vertices means B1 and B2 both vertices, that means the line will be inside the window. Okay, then the output will be the second vertex. If both vertex will be inside the window, then we only store the or save the second vertex, only B2. Okay, then next one, out vertex, out. If both vertices of the polygon are outside, okay, outside the window, then the output will be nothing. It means we found a cleft polygon, that means nothing will be saved, that means this one is discarded. Okay, so this one is your polygon clipping algorithm. Okay, so here I hope all of you clear the polygon clipping algorithm. Okay, so the land husband polygon clipping algorithm. Okay, so here the fifth unit of your is completed. Okay, so all of you go through this and read carefully and learn all these things. Okay, I hope all of you clear all these things. If any doubt, you can also ask me. I hope all of you prepare your notes clearly. All these things are mentioned here, and all of you prepare your notes and learn it. Okay, so this one is your two-dimensional viewing. Unit 5 will you're completed. Okay, thank you.